and welcome to the Kinetic Hosting YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over how you can install mods onto your Ark server. Now, it's a relatively simple process, but there are a couple of steps you need to take to make sure they're all downloaded properly. I will also add, you don't need to install any mods onto your client. All mods that are installed onto the server will automatically download onto your client on connection. You just need to make sure they're all on the server. In this example, we're going to be installing the Structures Plus mod, which is this mod here. So what we need to do for that is we need to make sure we get the mod ID. Now the mod ID is at the top here. You can see it's in the URL. You can see it's just these number strings on the end like so. So you just want to highlight that and copy that ID. If you're using Steam itself, you can also see the ID up the top here in the little browser thing. This is for a different mod, but so you can see it's got a different ID. Now what we want to do is go back to our server, go to the mod section here, and we just want to click in there and paste our ID in. Now, if we have more than one mod that we want to add to our server, what we can do is just put a comma, and then we'd put the other mod ID. Now, of course, I've only got the one mod ID copied, so they're the same, but normally they'd be different IDs. And you can just keep going and keep adding different mods to your heart's content there. Now, once they've added here, we now want to go to our file manager, which is down the side here. I've got a tab open to the right location already. But once you're in the file manager, you want to go to Shoot a Game, Saved, Config, Linux Server, and then Game User Settings.ini. Now in here, you'll find something called Active Mods, right down the bottom here. Now, if you haven't got the line there, then you may need to add it yourself. It's fine, just type it out exactly like this. Active mods equals with a capital A and a capital M. And again, we want to put the ID in there. And again, if we've got multiple IDs, we want to put a comma and we want to space them out like so. Once you've added the mod there and you've pressed save, you're all done inside that file. Just make sure that on the overview page, you've got your mods listed here, and it's just a simple task of restarting your server. This will then download all of the mods to your server and set them as active mods, and you're just good to go. That's it. You've modded your server. The mods have downloaded. Now, if you don't put the mods in here, they won't automatically download for you. So if you'd rather manually upload the mods yourself, you can leave this blank and then go to the active mod area and just set the mod IDs there. But putting them in here will make sure that they're all downloaded on boot for you to save you have to manually uploading them to your server. Anyway, that's all for today. There are more help about this if you want to check it out and more tips over on help.kinetichosting.net. I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. Thank you very much for choosing Kinetic Hosting and have an amazing rest of your day.